Ano man ang hinaharap,
Grabe ka naman.
kayang-kaya.
Follow instructions lang.
I am amazing.
Ito ang storya ko. Istorya namin.
Don't be afraid to express yourself.
Ang importante, mailabas natin ang ating mga damdamin sa pamamagitan ng pagsusulat o pagdodrawing.
There are people who will understand you.
Ready to help yan anytime. Kahit na kaninong tao at kahit outside sa circles of friends natin.
Magiging okay din ang lahat.
The more you talk about it, the better people can understand.
Hindi ako susuko.
Siguradong may kasama ka.
Pag may pagdaraanan, may kaibigan, teacher, at parents na pwedeng lapitan.
Lahat malalampasan, basta sama-sama. NCCT Originals presents Lakbay Easy, February 4. Tropa Peeps, February 11. Okay Ako, February 20. At Friendship Puzzles, February 27. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, 4 p.m. Sa Knowledge Channel. Masayang matuto ng bago.